Welcome back. Now let us proceed with our main part of the lesson. We'll start by looking into the meaning of insurance because we need to understand what do we mean by the term insurance. Now, what do we mean with the term insurance? The meaning of insurance. Insurance refers to it covers a possible event that may cause a specified loss or damage. Remember, with the specified, we are talking about the contract specifying to say this is the event that the business is choosing to cover itself from. Hence, we say a specified loss or damage. So, insurance cover, it covers possible events that may cause a specified loss or event. Then, this is an agreement where the insurer, meaning the company offering, this is a company offering the cover. This is your OutSurance, this is your Old Mutual, this is the insurance companies that are offering the cover. Hence, we call the insurer, which undertakes to indemnify the insured. So this is an individual or the business that is taking the cover. Hence, we call them the insured in the event of a specified loss or damage. So this is an agreement where the insurer undertakes to indemnify. Remember, the term indemnify is to repay or compensate the insured in the event of a specified loss or damage. Remember, the specified loss would be on the agreement, which is the contract. Then, the insured has to pay a premium for the specified loss or damage to be covered. So, this would be made in the form of monthly payments. This would be made in the form of monthly payments. Hence, we call it a premium. This is the amount the insurance, the business will be paying towards the insurance company. Then, this is a contract between a person or a business or the insured requiring insurance cover and the insurance company or the insurer bearing the financial risk. So the insurance company or the insurer will be taking the financial risk to say this company has a trading stock for 2 million. So we're going to insure their trading stock for 2 million so that should there be any damage or any specified event that is on the contract, then we will compensate or repay the company the amount that will be equal to the stock. Hence, we call it now insurance and the insurer bearing the financial risk. As you can see, some of the assets of the business, like cars, would also be insured to say, should a damage of this nature happen, they have to be repaid or be compensated for any damage that has happened into their asset. So those are basically what you should consider for you to say you understand the meaning of insurance. You talk about the contract, you talk about the agreement, you talk about the insurer, and you also talk about the insured. Then we will now look into the meaning of non-compulsory insurance to say what do we mean by non-compulsory insurance. Now, non-compulsory insurance refers to what? Non-compulsory insurance refers to a voluntary or the insured has a choice whether to enter into the insurance contract or not. So that is non-compulsory insurance. Is voluntary or the insured has a choice when it comes to non-compulsory insurance. Then it is not required by law, but it can provide protection for businesses, especially against their trading stock or individuals against their assets. Then, it is taken out in order to transfer the risk to the insurance company. So the risk will move from the business and it will be now the risk of the insurance company. So non-compulsory insurance is divided into two aspects, which is short-term insurance. For example, short-term insurance would cover damages such as fire or theft, and we also have long-term insurance. For example, this would cover retirement or death. So this would basically be your life insurance. But then when you look into fire and damage, this would be applicable to short-term insurance. And then now let us look into the differences between insurance and assurance, because those are aspects now that you should know, especially when you are looking into insurance. So insurance is based on the principle of indemnity, which has to do with compensating for a specified loss, and then it also covers a specified event that may occur. So an event is specified here to say, I'm taking cover against theft, I'm taking cover against fire. So the event is specified. Then it is applicable to short-term insurance. That is what insurance is applicable to. Then when you look into assurance on the other side, it is based on the principle of security or certainty. So this would be taken, for instance, on a life of a human being, to say they are taking it for security, especially to pay for future expenses should the breadwinner not be there anymore. Then assurance again is a specified event here is certain, but the time of the event is not known. So here we are talking about human life. We know that humans would pass away one day, but we don't know when it will happen. Hence we say the specified event is certain because it is taken, for instance, on human life, but the time of the event is not known. And then this would be applicable to long-term insurance. So you should know that insurance is based on the principle of indemnity, whereas assurance is based on the principle of security or certainty. And then with insurance, the specified event may occur. So it covers a specified event, but with assurance, the specified event is certain. We know the event that one is being covered for. Whereas when you're looking into insurance again, insurance is applicable to short-term, whereas assurance is applicable to long-term insurance. So with that being said, let us take a short break and I will see you shortly.